Hey guys, this is Liya Thomas. Today we are going to cover a topic known as deep sea trawling. This topic is particularly important from the prelims perspective, so let's start. Deep sea trawling is also known as bottom trawling. There are different ways to fish in the open ocean. Generally, the net is laid and the fish is trapped. The density of fish at the surface of the water is less as compared to the density of fish at the bottom. So we can find more number of fishes at the bottom of the sea. Deep sea trawling is a type of fishing where you go deep into the sea around 1 to 2 kilometers and you scrape the surface. Here we throw the net with heavy weight and it reaches at the surface of the ocean floor and then we scrape the material at the bottom. There are different problems associated with this kind of fishing. The first is that it reduces the biological diversity. Second, it is a non-targeted way of fishing. Third, it makes the ocean floor unstable. It reduces biological diversity. This means that in short term, it gives immense biological resources, but it's not sustainable. There are short-term benefits associated with it, but in long run, it devastates the whole diversity of that particular region, and it takes hundreds of years to recover or redevelop that ecosystem. Non-targeted way of fishing. It means that when we are scraping off the ocean floor, we tend to collect materials that are not marketable or economical. So we throw them away. So this is a non-targeted way of fishing. It makes the ocean floor unstable. It means that the sediments that are not settled, they started flowing through the surface and there is a higher chance that it interacts with the oxygen and then it gets converted to the carbon dioxide and releases into the atmosphere. It hurts the biological diversity and it hampers our fight against the climate change. See this issue in the current scenario. Sri Lanka bans deep sea trawling in its area. India bans deep sea trawling on seasonal basis. It means that apart from the monsoon season, the fishermen in India are allowed to do the deep sea trawling. And do the deep sea trawling, what happens is that they cross the boundaries of Sri Lanka and they start doing deep sea trawling in the Sri Lankan territorial water, which creates an issue for the Sri Lankan government. So the fishermen who crosses the territorial boundary are arrested by the military of Sri Lankan government, and then the Indian government has to intervene into this issue, which affects the India-Sri Lanka diplomatic relations. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time.